Hi, welcome to meditation today. We're going to take a journey through the layers of self. So beginning by finding yourself a comfortable seat, either sitting up on a chair with a nice straight spine, or sitting on the floor if you prefer, with any props. So let's begin resting your hands either on the knees or perhaps in the lap, and closing down the eyes. And so we begin with really just arriving and perhaps grounding ourselves. It's a little bit of transitioning here. So to begin, let's take a moment to just really listen to all the sounds you can hear outside of you, allowing your sense of hearing to roam within the room you're in, finding a sound and then moving on to the next one. And keep seeking out new sounds and listening even further away outside of the room that you are in. So we're really letting our sense of hearing in this case be very active, our mind active. Now beginning to withdraw your sense of hearing, letting go, and allowing all of your senses to soften and withdraw inward. In yoga, this is called pratyahara, or sense withdrawal. So the analogy is like the tortoise withdraws its limbs into the shell. So too do we withdraw our senses and turn our awareness inward. So feeling and connecting into your body now. We're going to take a little scan from the top of the head, slowly moving our awareness down the body, down to the ears, down the sides, back, front of the neck. And we're going to relax as we go, releasing our shoulders. And just keep flowing your awareness down your body, just in your own time now, connecting, inquiring into how it feels to be in this body right now. What can you pick up? Feeling down the length of the arms, the length of the spine and torso, the pelvis, letting your thighs be heavy, relaxed, all the way down to the feet. And then moving your awareness in a flow from the feet up the lower legs, to the upper legs, into and up the torso. Just allowing your body to organically align or realign itself. From the hands up the arms, to the neck, up through the head to the crown of the head. And for a moment, just a gentle upward lift, as though your crown is connecting to sky. Allowing our physical body to feel peaceful and stable. And starting to connect now with your breath. So breathing in and out through the nose. And just observing for a bit your breath, however it is. And then we can set that intention for a nice, organic, deep, rhythmical breath. And allowing our bellies to soften. And with the inhalation, allowing that breath to move all the way down to the belly. And all the way back up and out as you exhale. So just practicing staying with your breathing, letting go now of outside of the physical body and becoming one-pointed with the breath. So carrying on with this breath awareness, let's practice observing the breath at the nostrils. So awareness of the sensation of the breath as you inhale at the nostrils and as you exhale. Keep on with this flowing awareness of the breath entering and exiting at the nostrils. Letting your breath be slow and deep. For a moment, just noticing how you're feeling. Breathing like this can help relax our nervous system and can start to bring us to that feeling of inner stillness. So in this meditation, we're going to keep journeying through the layers of self. So beginning now to observe the plane of mind. Just noticing whatever is appearing in your mind at any moment. So sometimes when we deliberately watch, it may be that suddenly the mind neutralizes and there's nothing there. That's okay. We're just going to stay and come into the witness. So this witness is impartial, non-judgmental. We're simply observing whatever the mind is doing or not doing. And if there's thoughts, we want to practice allowing the thoughts to drift in, to manifest a while, and then also to flow on out, flow on by. The witness neither attaches onto nor needs to avert away from anything. This is a really powerful tool and process. We're We're starting to practice not identifying with our mind, and instead identifying with awareness itself. We're going to stay with the breath. The breath can be our centering device. And just still working with the plane of mind at the moment and our witnessing. After a while, the mind can begin to really calm down or neutralize. There's not so much going on superficially. We may be able to begin to connect to the deeper mind. We may even receive some insights, maybe realizations that come from the deep subconscious mind. So really just holding a little space here still. If any such insights do come, just allowing yourself to accept them, to analyze for a moment. And then also letting go, staying with the breath. This next part of the meditation is where we may experience real stillness inside. We've moved from the outside world through the body, harmonized with our breath, our mind, and now here we are. So the practice now is just one of deepening. You can either feel into or look deeper into the stillness. And simply allow any deep spiritual truths to come through. Surrendering into the stillness. Now it's time to begin to close this meditation, to bring this peace, this stillness with us back into the outside world. Beginning to deepen your breathing, beginning to feel into the body. Begin to sense here into the space around you. And slowly bowing the head and gently opening your eyes. And that is our meditation today. I hope this serves you. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Namaste.